Welcome to our comprehensive guide on pytest, the modern testing framework for Python in 2026. In this tutorial, we will explore why it has become the industry standard for writing robust and scalable tests. So, what exactly is pytest? It is a mature, full-featured testing tool that helps you write better programs. Unlike older frameworks, it allows you to write simple code while scaling up to support complex functional testing for applications and libraries. Its simplicity and powerful plugin ecosystem make it a favorite among developers. If you are coming from the built-in unit test module, you will notice immediate improvements. With pytest, you do not need to create classes or remember complex assertion methods like self.assert equal. You simply write functions and use standard Python assert statements. This leads to cleaner, more readable code with less boilerplate. Getting started is easy. Open your terminal and run pip install pytest. We recommend doing this inside a virtual environment. Once installed, verify the version by running pytest -version to ensure everything is set up correctly. Let us write our first test. Create a Python file starting with test underscore. Inside, define a function that also starts with test underscore. Then, simply perform an action and assert the result. pytest will automatically discover and run these functions for you. One of the best features is the smart reporting. When a test fails, pytest uses introspection to show you exactly what went wrong. You do not need helper methods, just compare values directly. The error message will display a clear diff, highlighting the exact mismatch between expected and actual values. For setting up test data or connections, we use Fixtures. Instead of setup and teardown methods, you define a function decorated with @pytest.fixture. You can then request this fixture by name in your test function arguments, and pytest handles the dependency injection automatically. Do not repeat yourself. With parametrization, you can run the same test function multiple times with different inputs. By using the parameterize decorator, you can define a list of inputs and expected outputs, generating multiple distinct test cases from a single block of code. Markers help you organize your test suite. You can tag tests as slow, web-related, or mark them to be skipped. This allows you to selectively run specific groups of tests using the -m command line flag, which is essential for large projects. Mastering the command line interface will boost your productivity. Use -v for verbose output, -k to run tests by keyword matching, or -x to stop immediately after the first failure. These flags give you granular control over your test execution. To wrap up, remember that pytest enables you to write simple, functional tests without boilerplate. Leverage Fixtures for managing state, use parametrization to cover more edge cases, and organize your suite with markers. Thank you for watching, and happy testing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.